Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best nonstick pans is probably one of the most essential additions to any kitchen, transforming the way you cook everything from delicate eggs to perfectly seared steaks, ensuring that your culinary creations slide effortlessly from the pan to the plate, making cleanup a breeze and elevating your everyday cooking experience to new heights of convenience and deliciousness. Number 5. GreenLife Soft Grip 16-Piece Cookware Set. Introducing a versatile 16-piece cookware set designed to cover every meal. It includes everything you need, from mini frying pans to saucepans and utensils, making it your ultimate kitchen companion. Experience healthier cooking with our toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating. It ensures effortless food release and is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Enjoy maximum comfort while cooking thanks to the soft grip Bakelite handles. They are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, providing a safe and comfortable cooking experience. Our cookware features reinforced, wobble-free bases for extra strength and stability. This design ensures heat is distributed evenly for consistent and perfect cooking results every time. Cleanup is a breeze with rivetless interiors that make messes easy to wipe away. For added convenience, the cookware is dishwasher safe, though hand washing can help preserve the finish. Keep an eye on your food without losing heat. The durable tempered glass lids allow you to easily monitor your cooking progress simply by looking through them. This cookware is ready for all stovetops except Induction and is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy added flexibility in your cooking methods with this adaptable set. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility with 16 pieces for every cooking need. Its toxin-free ceramic non-stick ensures healthier meals and easy cleanup. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that's also eco-conscious, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. They're honestly still as good as the day I got them. The inside and outside still look amazing. Easy to clean but easy to throw in the dishwasher and consistent quick heating without sticking. It's just as non-stick as when I got it. Every item is still intact. No wobbly handles on the pots or pans. My roommate is traveling with work and bought this set for the place they'll be staying at for the next 2 years. They loved the set so much that we bought one for the house. First off, no high heat is required. 0. The weight of them are perfectly balanced and I love that my food isn't getting burned in one spot. My food, on that same burner, comes out evenly cooked and I didn't have to turn the pan. Yay! Everything comes out clean AF. Even the bottom of the pan's wiped clean. Number 4. Rachael Ray Cucina 12-Piece Cookware Set. Introducing the Rachael Ray Cucina 12-Piece Cookware Set in Sea Salt Ray. This set has everything you need to get cooking. You'll receive saucepans, a stockpot, frying pans, and a sauté pan, all with lids. It also includes a slotted turner and spoon. Crafted with durable aluminum and a stylish hard enamel porcelain exterior, this cookware is built to last and look great in your kitchen. Experience next-level non-stick performance where food releases effortlessly. Cleaning up after cooking is also a breeze. The silicone grip handles offer a comfortable and secure hold, while shatter-resistant glass lids provide easy monitoring. These pots and pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and suitable for most stovetops, excluding Induction. Feel good knowing that a portion of your purchase supports Yummo, a non-profit dedicated to healthy eating for children and families. What we like. Crafted for durability with a stylish exterior, this set is built to last. The comfortable silicone grips make cooking a breeze. If you appreciate cookware that is both good-looking and functional, and you want a set that comes with essential utensils, this is the one for you. What people say. The pans are non-stick and easy to clean. The set includes a variety of sizes, perfect for different cooking needs. The handles are sturdy and stay cool during cooking. Number 3. NutriChef 10-Piece Non-Stick Kitchen Oven Baking Pans. This comprehensive 10-piece baking set has everything you need to create delicious cakes, loaves, and muffins. It includes a variety of pans to suit all your baking needs. Enjoy easy baking and quick cleanup with its superior non-stick coating. You won't need extra oil or butter, and food releases effortlessly without any unpleasant odors. Bake with confidence at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for creating all your favorite treats, from cookies and brownies to cakes and pies. The commercial-grade bakeware features heat-proof silicone handles to protect you from burns. They are also stain-resistant and easy to clean, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. When not in use, these professional molds can be easily stacked for convenient, space-saving storage. They are compatible with standard and convection ovens, as well as refrigerators and freezers. What we like. This is a specialized 10-piece baking set designed for all your baking needs. Its premium carbon steel with non-stick coating ensures easy release and cleanup. If you are a passionate baker who needs reliable pans for cakes, cookies, and more, this set is ideal. What people say. The pans are non-stick and easy to clean. The set includes a variety of sizes suitable for different cooking needs. The handles stay cool during cooking, providing a safe grip. Number 2. Kitchen Academy 12-piece Induction Cookware Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your kitchen, featuring fry pans, saucepans, and casserole dishes, along with essential silicone utensils. Enjoy effortless cooking and easy cleanup with its advanced granite non-stick coating. Food slides right off, allowing you to prepare healthier meals with less oil. Cook with confidence knowing this set is free from harmful chemicals like lead, PFOS, and PFOA, promoting a healthier lifestyle for you and your family. Designed with an aluminum core and a high magnetic conductive stainless steel base, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking results on all stovetops, including induction. The handles are made from heat-resistant Bakelite, ensuring a safe and comfortable grip while you cook. They are also stain-resistant and easy to maintain. Each piece undergoes rigorous quality checks. We are committed to providing excellent service, with 24/7 customer support ready to assist you with any concerns. What we like. This 12-piece set is induction compatible and features a granite non-stick coating that prevents sticking and preserves food flavor. It's also free from harmful chemicals for healthier cooking. If you have an induction stovetop and want a reliable, healthy cookware option, consider this set. What people say. The pans are very durable and have a great non-stick surface. The set includes a variety of sizes that are perfect for everyday cooking. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coating. Number 1. Caraway 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your kitchen. From frying pans to Dutch ovens, all your cooking needs are covered. Experience the ease of naturally non-stick ceramic. Food releases smoothly, and cleanup is a breeze, letting you enjoy more time with your meals. Designed for modern kitchens, this cookware is compatible with all stovetops and is oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for any cooking task. Cook with confidence knowing it's made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, or PFAS. It promotes healthier cooking for you and your family. Keep your kitchen organized with included magnetic pan racks and a canvas lid holder. It's a beautiful and functional addition to any modern home. What we like. Designed for modern kitchens, this set boasts a sleek aesthetic and includes smart storage solutions to reduce clutter. Its naturally non-stick ceramic surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless. If you value both style and organization in your kitchen, this cookware set is a perfect fit. What people say. The non-stick ceramic surface is simply unbelievable. Everything from eggs to sticky sauces slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. The sage color is gorgeous and adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen. What I truly love, though, are the storage organizers. The magnetic rack for the pots and the canvas lid holder keep my cabinet immaculate, which is a massive plus. I really appreciate that they're ceramic and free of PTFE and PFOA. It gives me peace of mind knowing I'm cooking with safer materials. On top of that, the design is beautiful. They look great sitting on the stove and honestly elevate my entire kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.